Hi guys! For today's video, we'll be unboxing my birthday gift for myself kasi malapit na yung birthday ko. So, yung mga magsasend ng gift dyan. And kung wala naman, pwede din naman ng Gcash, you know. So, ayan. I bought this item because I was looking for a smaller water bottle. Meron na akong hydro flask, kaso 40 ounces siya or I think more than 1 liter or 1 liter something. Hindi ko sure. Pero masyado siyang mabigat to carry around. So na-try ko siya last time when I went back to Manila or in the Philippines. Dala-dala ko siya during sinulog and dinagyang. Masyadong mabigat lalo na pag punong-puno na siya ng tubig. So ayun. So ngayon naghahanap ako ng ng smaller one, yung magaan lang, pwede naman siyang i-refill, diba? So, ayun, tapos, ayun nga, then nakita ko to, then I think this is yung perfect size niya, kasi ano lang siya, 25 ounces or 750 ml, around that, tapos, medyo pa siya, medyo glam up version ng Hydro Flask. So, ayan, start natin yung unboxing. So, dumating siya kaninang umaga. Yan, the product is called TOMO. Yan. So, let's open it up. Ouch. Oops. So, ayan, sa loob, meron siyang dalawang box. The bottle itself and the free TOMO glam bag. Yan. Ayan na siya. So, ayan. Bali, pala, I chose this particular design or yung color kasi madami siyang choices. Search nyo lang sa Instagram or sa Facebook, TOMO bottle. Ayan. So, marami siyang kulay pero ito yung napili ko because ang name ng colorway niya ay aquamarine. Yun. Since I'm a March baby and ang birthstone namin ay aquamarine. Then, sabi nila, aquamarine daw is symbolizes youth and happiness. O, diba? Yun lang naman talaga yung gusto natin sa buhay. Ma-maintain yung youthfulness natin, tsaka ma-attain ng happiness. Charot! May hugot. Then, tapos, another thing that made me purchase this is that they provide kasi yung access for a clean drinking water for those remote villages in India and in not really South Africa, the remote villages in Africa. So, diba, plus of course, nakaka-help tayo to fight those war against single-use plastic pollution. Ayan, diba? O diba, very Miss World yung yung dating, beauty with a purpose. Diba, yan. So, ayan, ito na siya. So, then, yan. Diba? Ayan siya. Ay wait, may nakataki pa pala. So ayan, sabi lang niya, thank you for choosing to make this world a better place. Kasi nga we're helping those poor communities to gain access for clean drinking water. Sabi, diba, mayroong movie ako na watch na for clean drinking water yung magiging parang next gasoline or petrol, something like that, or oil, kasi yun yung nagkukulang na sa mundo ngayon. So sa susunod yun na yung pag-aaway-away ng mga world. Then ayan, do you also get this sticker that you have donated for everyone should have access to clean drinking water, drop for drop. Yan. And then yung mga accessories lang niya. So ito yung included na accessories, ganyan siya. Yan, meron din siyang mga panlinis, straw, what else, yung functional straw lid kung gusto mong palitan yung takip. Ayan, diba? Oh, wow, this is nice. Meron din siyang tea infuser lid kung gusto mong gamitin siya for your tea, diba? Ayan. So let's see the bottle itself. So ayan, you see, diba, bling bling. Tapos, ayan siya. May engraving ng logo nila, TOMO. Yan. And sa ilalim din. Yan. Di ba? Tapos, talagang buong bottle ang glam glam. Ooh, look at that. So, ayan din siya. Double wall din siya. So, mariretain niya din yung ano mo. Yung coldness and hotness for certain number of hours. Yan, di ba? Ganda. Ting, 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 ting. So, yung next one naman, yung glam bag. So, bali, ngayon, free, mayroon silang promotion, free shop for their bestseller models. Ayan. Diba? Para siyang ano, PU leather, something like that. Tapos, very Louboutin, diba? O, red sole, sangka pa. Yan. Then, sa loob niya, meron kang straps. So, meron kang option, shorter strap or the longer strap. I-demo ko kung paano to gamitin. Wait lang. So, you just put your bottle like this. Then, meron siyang ano, magnetic para ma-secure. So, if you press mo lang siyang ganyan. Wait. Push siya. Yun. So, secured na siya. So, if you want to use the longer strap, magiging parang ano siya. Ang tawag doon? Shoulder, parang shoulder bag. Ayan. So, you just put it here. And then, also on the bottom. Ayan. So, ayun na siya. So, para siyang shoulder bag ang dating. So, hands-free kumbaga. Tapos, yung shorter strap naman is like handbag style. Ayan, look at that. Diba? Ganyan lang siya. So, you can carry it around with you kung saan ka magpunta. Diba? So, ayan. Excited ako to use this for my upcoming trip. So, syempre, I think may mga makakagain tayo ng mga tingin-tingin dyan, diba? Tama. So, thank you guys for watching and until our next video. Bye guys!